My name is Toy. This is Toy's Food Chronicles, and today we're going to be making some wonderful, wonderful jalapeno poppers. Make your mouth water. Welcome to Toy's Food Chronicles. Once again, I'm Toy, and we're here to bring people together through the soul and spirit of food. If this is your first time watching me today, then I want to let you know what we are here for so you can stick around. We're here to help the average home cook and backyard grill cook prepare stunning meals for their families and guests. Now I want to get right into this cook. Today, we're making jalapeno poppers. These things already look amazing, just as pure jalapenos, but what we want to do with these is we want to take these eggs and we want to crack them. We want to take this milk and we want to put it in there. We want to take these crumbs. I'm not even going to share the brand because it doesn't matter and they ain't paying me. So I have breadcrumbs and I'm going to have them over here. We are going to take this cream cheese and we're going to put them inside here. Then you got the recipe, you can leave now. But no, you don't. You don't know what we're doing. We are smoking these things today. So half of these we're gonna do in breadcrumbs, the other half we wrapping in bacon. Bacon, 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 bacon. So now what we're going to do, guys, is we're gonna take these 2 eggs and this milk that I placed in here and we're gonna stir this up. This is gonna be our wonderful adhesive to jalapenos. And if I'm talking down and you can't hear me, let me know. This isn't live, so I guess technically you can't let me know. I'm gonna know when I do this in the post edit. Alright, so I'm getting this nice and good and googly moogly. That's what I needed. I was wondering. I said, I need a third bowl. And I was wondering, what do I need a third bowl for? I got the breadcrumbs in this bowl, which are not here yet. It's empty. And I got my eggs in this bowl. And I was thinking, I need to de-seed these things. So where am I going to put these seeds? Am I going to put them on my wonderful cutting board? I think not. I think not. I'm going to put them in a wonderful, wonderful bowl off to their lonesome to get rid of them. Actually, I don't need a bowl. I'm gonna put them in this napkin. napkin holder. It's gonna hold all the seeds. Put a napkin right here. And it's gonna hold them, and then I'm gonna wrap them up. And they're gonna be gone and done. There you go. Fabulous. Thank you. Oh, smell that, dude. Smell that. It's the garlic breadcrumbs, so it's not like the regular breadcrumbs. Smell that. Smell that. Man. I know you can't smell through the TV. They haven't invented smell-o-vision, but I guarantee it's coming. It won't be invented by me because I don't think like that. I know the creative part I got, but smell-o-vision, being able to create it when somebody shows you a jalapeno and then your nose starts to bleed on camera, I can't do that yet. This was taught to me by my wife via telling me that this is what her mother does. I'm like, how do I de-seed it and get the cheese in there without taking off the cap? She said, don't take off the cap because you'll ruin my jalapenos. And I said, okay, honey, I don't want to ruin your jalapenos. I want to be able, but I don't see how I can just make a slice. She said, just make a slice. Oh, it's working. Okay, so never mind. I'm gonna put this here, put this here. These will be my holders. Well, look at that. This was gonna be spicy because look at all the seeds that are in there. That's ridiculous. So what I'm gonna do is de-seed this thing, because that is the element that's spicy. All right, and I do have to de-seed 20 of these, so I'm not gonna make you endure me de-seeding 20 jalapenos. So I'm gonna do this off camera, and we're just gonna make it happen. These things cook fairly quickly on the smoker. By the way, we are smoking these today. So they're not going just on in the oven. These things are going on my offset smoker today. Yay, yay, yay. Woo, woo. Take out as many seeds as you like. Want some heat so we can have a little bit in there, but try. Alrighty, so we have our egg yolk and milk mix right here. We got our breadcrumbs that are from the store, and they are roasted garlic breadcrumbs. And once again, this is to help your average home cook. So let me tell you what this is. This is that cream cheese. It was the Philadelphia whipped cream cheese, just so you know. And I put it in a sandwich bag because I'm a home cook. I don't have fancy chef stuff at my house. So what I did is I rigged this wonderful, wonderful little sandwich bag, and I put the cream cheese in here, and that is how I'm going to fill my little jalapenos, okay? So what you want to do, if you have an average knife set, you want to take that little piece of scissors, try not to cut yourself. You're going to take this end piece and wank it off. Wank it off? That doesn't even sound right. We're gonna cut it off, and we're gonna start filling our wonderful, wonderful jalapenos. So this is that little slit we cut out and took out all the stuff. Look at that. Now the goal isn't to fill them up all the way per se. You want to fill them up as much as you can, and then once you have them there, we are going to dip it in this egg reduction. It's not a reduction, I didn't reduce anything. And then we're going to dip them in these breadcrumbs. Once again, boom, boom, boom. Alrighty, so we got 10 of our jalapenos cremated and breaded. Maybe I shouldn't use the term cremated. We got the cream on the inside of these wonderful jalapenos, and we got these breaded. The other 10, we're gonna do something really cool with. We're gonna wrap in bacon. So if you know me, a lot of dishes that I do, I wrap in bacon. So we got some regular bacon from the grocery store, and we're gonna take these. I do have toothpicks, and we're going to take each one of these. We're going to start at the bottom, and we're going to make it like this little wonderful, wonderful thing. And we're going to, sorry, here we go. That's really greasy and a lot more slippery than I had thought that it was going to be. But yeah, so this is one tubby wrapped in bacon. And so, how are we going to hold these in place? One might ask, how are we going to hold it in place? I have toothpicks. Some people say toothpicks, I say toothpicks. That's T-O-O-F picks. But I also say toothpicks because I want to be politically correct, because some people think black people don't know how to talk right. So. Alright, so this is going to stay in place because I put a toothpick in, okay? Boom, boom, boom. That's holding that in place. Now, I don't like flies or outdoor flying things, but we are getting later towards the evening, and here in Tampa, Florida, once we get later toward the evening, the nice flying insects like to come out and try to hang out with us, and I'm just not a fan. So personally, I don't do it. But Next time you see me, these will be all wrapped up. And this one's a nice, good piece. Look at that. That whole thing is wrapped. Alrighty, so we have 10 of these wonderful, luscious jalapeno poppers wrapped in bacon. And we use our toothpick and we close them off. Then we have 10 of these wonderful, luscious jalapeno poppers wrapped in the roasted garlic seasoned breadcrumbs. And I'm so happy. We're about to put these on here in a moment, but I got to bring something off from another episode before I do so. So I'm going to take these in. Alrighty, so we got these 10 bacon wrapped, ready to go onto the smoker. And then we got these 10 nice and battered. This was kind of open, so I think I'm going to get a toothpick and I'm going to close that off. But we're about to put these on. So we're using some mock lighting. We're using the phone light. We're keeping it real here. I do have lighting, but we didn't have time to get that all set up. Once again, I got these poppers, and I'm putting the ones with the bacon nearest to the fire on the smoker because we want these puppets to be go, and we want that bacon to render down the fat.
4th of July.
It's 4th of July, so if you
Happy Independence Day, guys.
Happy Independence Day. So if you hear fireworks in the background, it's because there's fireworks in the background. So today is the day that we're doing this, and tonight is the night where we make it all right. Yes. Let's get these breaded ones on. And these are going to be a little further away from the fire because we just want them to crisp up. And we don't want this to...
I was literally about to ask you, why are you putting those in the back and those in the front?
Yeah, we just want these to crisp up, and we don't want the cream cheese to just pour out of it, which it will still come out a little bit, which is okay, but we don't want it all to come out. We just want it to crisp up here, and so we're going to close this up. We're sitting at about 200 degrees right now, internal on that. Let's look at this fire. Right now we got some cherry wood that's diminishing. I'm gonna get a couple of more wood pieces in there. Yeah.
America.
So yes, as a recap, once again, we wrapped bacon, around 10 of them. We breaded 10 of them, and then we put them on the smoker. It took about an hour. We did turn these. It was dark outside, so we didn't show that element. These are our jalapeno poppers. One thing that I didn't do that I was gonna do, sorry, is a little bit of a glaze on the bacon wrapped ones with some barbecue sauce. That's fine, we're gonna do it post this show. I'm gonna put some barbecue sauce on these, and we're gonna get some good flavor. So that is how these are done. We did two different kinds of jalapeno poppers or jalapeno bombers, however you want to say it. They're going to be wonderful and taste great. And as I say on every episode, don't love to be loved, love to love.